A ternary computer is a computer that uses ternary logic instead of the more common binary logic in its calculations. History. One early calculating machine, built by Thomas Fowler entirely from wood in 1840, operated in balanced ternary. The first modern, electronic ternary computer Saturn was built in 1958 in the Soviet Union at the Moscow State University by Nikolai Brusensov, and it had notable advantages over the binary computers which eventually replaced it, such as lower electricity consumption and lower production cost. In 1970, Brusensov built an enhanced version of the computer, which he called SETUN-70. In the USA, the ternary computing emulator Ternary, working on a binary machine, was developed in 1973. Balanced ternary. Ternary computing is commonly implemented in terms of balanced ternary, which uses the three digits -1, 0, and +1. The negative value of any balanced ternary digit can be obtained by replacing every plus with a minus and vice versa. It is easy to subtract a number by inverting the plus and minus digits and then using normal addition. Balanced ternary can express negative values as easily as positive ones, without the need for a leading negative sign as with decimal numbers. These advantages make some calculations more efficient in ternary than binary. Opening curly bracket, opening curly bracket, question mark. Date equals June 2014. I often reflect that had the ternary instead of the denary notation been adopted in the infancy of society, machines something like the present would long ere this have been common, as the transition from mental to mechanical calculation would have been so very obvious and simple. The future. With the advent of mass-produced binary components for computers, ternary computers have diminished to a small footnote in the history of computing. However, ternary logic's elegance and efficiency is predicted by Donald Knuth to bring them back into development in the future. One possible way this could happen is by combining an optical computer with the ternary logic system. A ternary computer using fiber optics could use dark as 0 and 2 orthogonal polarizations of light as 1 and -1. IBM also reports infrequently on ternary computing topics, but it is not actively engaged in it. The Josephson junction has been proposed as a balanced ternary memory cell, using circulating superconducting currents, either clockwise, counterclockwise, or off. The advantages of the proposed memory circuit are capability of high-speed computation, low power consumption, and very simple construction with less number of elements due to the ternary operation. In 2009, a ternary quantum computer was proposed which thus uses qubits rather than qubits. When the number of basic states of quantum element is d, it is called qubit. Ternary computers in popular culture. In Robert A. Heinlein's novel Time Enough for Love, the sapient computers of Secundus, the planet on which part of the framing story is set, including Minerva, use an unbalanced ternary system. Minerva, in reporting a calculation result, says 341,640. The original ternary readout is unit pair pair, unit nil nil, unit pair pair, unit nil nil point nil. Virtual adepts in the role-playing game Age the Ascension use ternary computers. In Howard Tyler's webcomic Schlock Mercenary, every modern computer is a ternary computer. AIs use the extra digit as maybe in Boolean operations, thus having a much more intimate understanding of fuzzy logic than is possible with binary computers. The conjoiners, in Alistair Reynolds' Revelations space series, use ternary logic to program the computers and nanotechnology devices.